Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at Instagram. There was a story just recently that talks about how Instagram is able to share your location. And if you're not sure how to turn off location sharing, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. I'm not a big Instagram guy, but I know how to change the settings and everything like that. So right now we are at the home page, right? So I'm going to go to messages on the top right hand corner. You see that little bubble right there. Click that. Then I'm going to be looking for right across, right under the Ask Meta AI bar. I'm going to be looking for map, which is right here. Okay. Then I'm going to go to this little setting right here on the top right. It actually flashed right there. It says not sharing location. So I'm going to make sure you know how to turn off your location sharing if you don't want people knowing where you are. Right now I'm in my app info. I'm going to click permissions, scroll down, click locations, and there it is. Don't allow is already set for me, at least. If you want people to know where you are, then you can go ahead and click any of these other two options up top. But that is how you turn off the location permissions in Instagram. All right. If you have any questions or comments, send it on down below. Thanks. Bye.